Welcome back, everybody. In this one, we are going to be doing a quick update on the Northeast flood watches and everything. I wish I was supposed to do this earlier, but no. But all I'm going to say is we are dealing with a lot here, okay? We are dealing with flash flood watches, all right, all over the Northeast, okay? So let me do that. Let me do that. Let's look at National Weather Service. Yeah, we have a lot going on here. We have a lot of special weather statements and a lot of flood watches and even some flood warnings. And a lot of these flood warnings have been up to 1 to 2.5 inches of rainfall already fallen. So yeah, numbers already coming in and looks pretty heavy amounts here. Flood watch is pretty much for with excessive rainfall as possible, flooding impacts excessive runoff may result in flooding in rivers, creeks, streams, and over low-lying areas and flood-prone locations. Additional details: thunderstorms moving across the area later today have the capability of producing rainfall rates 1 to 2 inches per hour. That is why. And there's been many thunderstorms already that has proven a 1 to even 2.5 inches an hour. So very, very intense stuff we're talking about. We look at the latest models here for this, and pretty much what we're doing is strong, pretty much showers and thunderstorms, and even some of them being strong. And as we go throughout today's run, you can tell thunderstorms will move in the area later. We'll weaken down a little bit, some showers out ahead. That'll bring a little bit of rain, and then more showers and thunderstorms behind it. That'll come with a line, and that will be with some even thunderstorms tomorrow. And that just by itself is already giving us, spots in the northern up to 6 inches of rainfall. Some spots would be doing 6, 7, even 8 inches of rainfall in spots. And that's not the only thing. Then we get a third system the next day. We get one free day, and then boom, we're right back to the storming pattern. This one has a lot of training thunderstorms and heavy rainfall that we're going to have to look out for again. And that is going to add insult to injury and a lot more rain. Okay. We look at the nail model all the way through. I do not like looking at these when it comes to this point because these are more mesoscale thunderstorms and it gives you more of a spot to look at, but we still look at them anyway. Latest, there it is. These storms will be going by to later today. More thunderstorms, boom, those will go through. Then we're talking about later on. We looked at the last run, boom, these storms will move on. And then we deal with sets of storm tomorrow, and then we do it all over again with this batch of storms. Total accumulations of rain, anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. Okay. um, we look at the Euro model. Let's just take a look at this for fun. We look at the pattern for the future, just a little bit of the future, and you can easily tell we got rainfall today, tomorrow, 1 day break. No, not really. But no, because by 2 p.m. it'll come. So then we get another batch of storms, and then we do it again. We do it all the way up to June 10th with showers and thunderstorms, and then we finally get a break. Rainfall with just the Euro model going into like June 10th, yeah, you're talking about anywhere from 5, 6 inches of rainfall. Probably even more in spots, okay? Very heavy rainfall, and this is just global, the same mesoscale. And then, let's just go all the way to 336, and yeah, we are packed and loaded with rain, okay? But let's take a look at the radar here. Let's get the latest looking here, and yeah, we still got that same line, okay? We got some showers, and we still got some thunderstorms around. We only got 1/10 not even a tenth of an inch of rain. So we're gonna have to wait and see. We're getting into some more showers. We'll see the latest rainfall rates. But I thought earlier we were gonna get these thunderstorms to develop like this in clusters and like form a line of a flooding event. But good news, that did not evolve like that, and we're still with scattered thunderstorms and showers. Um, this was a flood warning, expires in 23 minutes. This was from earlier today, 1.5 inches. We're probably about 2 or 2.5 inches of rain. We got storms back here in western Pennsylvania, dealing with some flood warnings too. 1.5 inches. A lot of flood reports, flood warnings out of those storms. Just got a new update on radar. Yeah, we got some more. That's a little interesting. We got this right here, this cluster. I was thinking maybe this will, if that did evolve into a cluster of showers and thunderstorms, that will easily bring 2 inches of rain by itself. But I don't personally see that as of right now. But we are getting some heavier rainfall rates in the Harrisburg area again. We're picking it back up with the rainfall. And we just need to wait and see. Yeah, a little bit of clustering, some lightning in these. Maybe these try and involve slow moving up here. That could happen. The line could re-strengthen. That is very possible with the daytime heating, but I don't think so. If anything, I see maybe just a half an inch of rain or so. But we don't know. Alright. We got close to a storm and then it died out. It formed very fast, but it died out as fast as it formed. So oh, okay. I don't know if that updated. To me, it looked like that. All right, we got some storms down here near MS. We're gonna have to watch because some of these can bring a quick downpour that could be like anywhere 2/10 of an inch of rain. I just want to see if they do collide. I don't think so. It's this cluster right here that's having my eye because we got one blimp, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, and 9. We have about 9 blimps. Maybe we might get some clustering. I don't know. We might try and get some clustering going. I don't fully know, but if we do, we do. We're about at like 0.01, 0.02 with the rainfall, so nothing bad at all. And we just gonna have to wait and see.
am 38.
There's some good thunderstorms in there. I'm seeing if any lightning is starting to pop off because those storms do get strong quick. And I'm wondering if we can create if these thunderstorms combine, takes the heat and energy and moves on like that, you're easily talking about 2-inch rainfall rates right there. 1 to 2 inches. But if the blimps don't get stronger and they just kind of stay scattered like that, then you could get a spotty 1/2 inch of rain by the end of the line too. But they combine, they merge. Yeah. New look. It updated and interesting. It updated. Yeah, not bad, not bad. The blimps are surviving. Doesn't look too bad. We shall see and see how it performs over a little bit. But I'm gonna head out, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Or actually, I'm gonna stay on. I'm gonna get what I need to get done. But we're just gonna keep the radar up, and then I'm gonna update you guys right before I leave. All right. All right. Thank you. See you guys soon. wow. Alright, you guys. This is interesting. We might be getting, actually what I kind of said. We got a strong storm, out of this, cluster, and it just updated again. Alright. So the whites are gone. We still got the black in it. But look at this here. We got a cluster of thunderstorms just in Allentown, just south of Allentown, moving north. That is interesting. That could easily put some brakes on. Very good news. That's not good news. That means more flooding, but, not good. And we need to just wait and see. think it updated again, and yeah, it did. We are back with the whites. Let me actually... Yeah, we are. Back with the white.